job, Bucky.
You got a throw in your hand.
Oh, pretty boy.
Are you videoing them?
Yeah. Pretty boy. Oh, look at you go. Show me that quarter horse. Show me the quarter horse.
Oh, no. Thunder, Tanya.
I hear that.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, look at you, Buckwheat. Pretty boy.
Better go get it clean.
If we have to just clean shit out tonight, then we will. And there he is on the fly. Here comes the great buckwheat on the run. Oh, look at you go. Just a flying. Oh, look at you go, buckwheat. You little show off, aren't ya? Oh, pretty boy. Show us the Arab. Come on, where's that Arab in you too? And here he comes on the back stretch. He puts on the speed when I say that. Slow down, honey. Slow down. Slow down.
That's enough. Slow down.
Yeah, slow down, dear.
Slow down, baby.
That's a boy. You good boy. Yeah, you're a pretty boy.
Walk it off, honey. That's a little too much running.
Yeah, you gotta take your time. I know you're trying to show off for the camera, but it's alright. There's lots of camera time. Yeah, lots of camera time. Like he really listens to us.